Now look at how do we derive the government expenditure multiplier in the Keynesian clause. So we will start with the goods market equilibrium condition, which is given as y is equal to ED, which we can write as y is equal to C plus I plus G, assuming a closed economy. Now we can write this equilibrium condition in terms of changes as well. So in that case, we'll write it as delta y is equal to delta C plus delta I plus delta G, where delta represents change in this case. Now, we know the Keynesian clause assumes that investment is exogenously given to us, and we are not changing investment exogenously, so delta I is just zero. There's no change in investment. So then our goods market equilibrium condition simplifies to delta Y is equal to delta C plus delta G. Now we know that C consumption is equal to C naught autonomous consumption plus MPC times disposable income, which is Y minus T. Now if I write delta C, so that would be delta C is equal to delta C naught plus MPC times delta Y minus delta T. Now, autonomous consumption is also not changing, so delta C naught is zero. So this becomes delta C is equal to MPC times delta Y minus delta T. Now, taxes are not changing in this case, we're only changing government spending when we're looking at the government expenditure multiplier. So then this becomes delta C is equal to MPC times delta Y. So now we have overall delta C is equal to MPC times delta Y plus delta G. So now we collect terms with Y on the left hand side of the equation, and then we get 1 minus MPC times delta Y is equal to delta G. And from here, we just make delta Y the subject. So this becomes delta Y is 1 by 1 minus MPC delta G. Now the government expenditure multiplier is given to us as the ratio delta Y by delta G, which is just 1 by 1 minus MPC. This tells us that if we increase G by $1, by how much will outcome or income change? And this is greater than 1 as MPC is between 0 to 1.